Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. This is an insight into the Odu Ifa Obara Meji. In this video, I will be sharing with you what you need to know about this Odu Ifa. Obara Meji occupies the 7th position within the order of Odu Ifa in Yoruba Religion. This Odu talks about your purpose in life and what you are destined to become in life. Everyone has his or her own destiny, but your enemies who are spiritually stronger than you might want to change your destiny and distort the good things that should come your way. Ifa is a solution to the spiritual problems of humanity. Therefore, Odu Obara Meji is a powerful and complex Odu within the Ifa divination system that provides solutions to some of the problems we face as humans, such as the problem of not getting what we want despite our expectations to such good things. This Odu teaches us about the power of our tongue, the role of our legacy, and our purpose in life. This Odu can appear in an Ifa section to a city, town, country, or most importantly, individuals. When this Odu appears, it means sacrifice is needed for the good things being expected by such town or the individual to get to them. The sacrifice, known as Ebo, will be prescribed by the Ifa priest, known as Babalawo, who cast Ifa Obara for such individual. It is known that the client who this Odu appears to tend to be a hardworking and productive individual. Such person has the tendency to grow with the work he or she decides to do, as long as he or she is passionate for it. But this person is advised not to be a talkative, but rather should be a good listener. Obara Meji says that the person who this Odu appears to is a person of doubt, uncertainty, and indecision in life. But the person should learn to take to advice from their loved ones, takes to correction, and avoid lying. In a stanza of this Odu, Ifa says that Obara Meji, as I got home, I met AG. As I got to the road, I met flood. When it's raining on one's way, one feels bad. This cast Ifa for Arumogoyin, who went to become Olubete's chief, the chieftaincy of his forefathers. Arumogoyin was told to do sacrifice for his town to be peaceful. Arumogoyin heeded Ifa. Arumogoyin began to be successful. He became the chief of his forefathers. Everything began to work in his town and for himself. Everybody was happy. They all began to praise the Ifa priest. Ifa priest praised Ifa, and Ifa praised olodumare. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.